A lot blacking stayed on Jim anyway. Right, just over 12 months ago since it was last out of water, but I took it for a trip to Sowerby Bridge and the weed hatch sprung a leak. So I patched it with milliput and it's worked up until now, but it needs properly welding so that it's safe and sound for the future. But all that blacking I put on last year has temp washed off, so yeah, literally just a little bit of welding and then I'll go back in with the rest of them, hopefully in 6 weeks time. Yeah, it looks a completely different boat now to when I came here 12 months ago. So it's a V bottom, this one, so it's they've got to put the chocks on a V frame angle. Whoa, water pipe. And at back I'm going to get 4-foot platform welded onto the back of this as well, so I can use that for storage and walk across. So I might as well use the time, just get it tidied up. I'm going to strip the engine bay down, get all that looking all brand new inside there, but yeah, I can just chill out now, not like last time. And then back in the water and just enjoy the boat for what its intended purpose as well. And this one over here is going back into where I've just been. I've just borrowed the mooring over here while I did all inside of it, but they're coming back here now. This is the boat that sank twice here. It's actually sank here. So they've had that all welded up, and they can fit all the inside of that. Yeah, sorted now, mate. Yeah. Right. So yeah, it's going to take about an hour to do that little bit of welding, and now it's cost me about 500 quid to get it lifted out and then to put it back in again, just for that little bit of welding.